Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about number pattern. We'll first look at numbers and how they can be arranged in different geometrical shapes. For that, let's write some numbers. So now I'm going to represent this number using dots. So 1 can be represented as a single dot. 2 I can represent as 2 dots. 3 I can represent either as this, or I can even represent it like this. 4 I can represent as 5. Can I represent 5 in a different way? No, I can't represent. 6, let's see. Or 7, I can only represent it in this fashion. 8, I can represent it as, or 9, how can I represent 9? This way or this way. And what about 10? Or this way. So here now I'm not going to represent them in a line. All numbers we know can be represented in one line. I'll just see if there is any other way. So other than line, anyway, for 11, no. So I'll represent maybe 11 in a line. For 12, one way is line, the other way is, or for 13, it is only line. For 14, I can represent as same way we can go ahead, but we'll stop here. Now, if we look at this, there are many patterns here. So if I see, all the numbers can be represented as line numbers. They're all line. So they can be represented in one line. All the dots can be placed in one line. So they are all line numbers. So that is one geometrical shape we are talking about. Line numbers. Now there are some numbers which are only line numbers. They are only line numbers. Then there are some other numbers which we saw are represented as triangle. Then there are some numbers which are represented as squares. Square has all sides equal. So if you see, they are same number of rows and same number of columns. Square numbers. Now there are many other numbers which are represented using rectangles. Now, what about 1? 1 can be represented as a line number. 1 can be represented as a square number as well. And 1 also can be represented as a triangle. So these are different geometrical number patterns. Now let's see a few interesting things about it. So all the numbers can be represented as line numbers. Some interesting facts about them are, all are line numbers. Let's look at the numbers which are only represented as line numbers. Look at the prime numbers 5, 7, 11, 13. These are represented as line numbers. There is only 3 which can be represented as some other fashion. Prime numbers cannot be represented as rectangular numbers. They can only be represented as line numbers. 3 is the only prime number which can be represented as something else other than the line number as well. All composite numbers can be represented as rectangular numbers. So this is about representation of numbers in different geometrical shapes. You must watch our other videos on whole numbers so that you have complete knowledge of whole numbers. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Till we meet again, bye bye.